Okay, cut that one off cleanly. And I cut this piece of crap off over here, and that's duct tape, so it's all stuck to itself. Alright, so we're going to try this one and see if we can get this to go on top of the ferrule that we got stuck over here. Stuck right in there. So we'll see if we can make that go together. It's in my way. Camera's in my way. Alright, let's see what we're going to get here. Scooby's coming over to help too. Okay, the first thing I do is get this thing frayed out of here a little bit. That's the first problem you got to deal with. Okay. I think that'll take care of a lot of issues is doing that. Push in cleanly right up in there. So hopefully now, see it's right up in there now. Hopefully I can put the other piece in the inside of it because the plastic's all the way up in there. Looks pretty even though. Yeah. Probably went a little bit too far. Pull it back just a little bit. Didn't really make much difference. I think it's still not going to go in there very well. We'll see. I'm not supposed to leave a chuck key like that, but the gear, it is locked in gear right now. And I'm using it as a vise, not as a chuck right now. Still a bad habit to leave it in there. But ain't no way it's moving anywhere, it's locked in gears. Same problem, it won't go. See, I'm just shoving it through the plastic's all I'm doing. I don't know. Here's what I want. The camera's too damn high, you can't see nothing. Okay, that's where we want it to be. Problem is that's not what we're getting. Every time I put it on here, something else. It's in there. Problem is in there correctly. And more even. So I shove all the pieces in there where they belong. Like that. And maybe I'll stick the piece in there. I think I can. I think it'll actually go this time. It'll be close. Might just make it. Attacked again. This won't go. I think this whole ferrule will just collapse at a point. No matter what you do, you can't get it to go in. This edge is a little bit more turned, it might work. That's a little modification there. Okay, we're going to try it again. Yeah. Just cutting tube all the way. Not really cutting, it's just mashing it. Just isn't room for everything in one spot. Things are crushed down. This ferrule's crushed, that's the problem. Yeah, I have a cure for that. What diameter is this thing? We're assuming it's 3/8. Oh, what? It's 5/16. Dial moved on me? $340. Yeah. Tell the size of this. And there's your problem. It's under 300. Trying to jam 40 thousandths in a spot where there's no 40 thou to be had. Alright. I'm going to cheat. I'll be back.